Hi everyone, it's Kimberly. Okay, so I wanted to show you what I do for a hot face towel treatment. This is a nice little self-care thing that I've been doing at home. And what I do is I grab a bowl and I have my favorite essential oils. I like to use lavender and orange essential oils, and then grab a face towel. This is going to be like a standard size hand towel, not a washcloth and not a full-size towel, but a hand towel. And then you'll need to have a kettle that has some water that you've brought to a boil or almost to a boil, just depending on how hot that you like it. So I'm just going to kind of walk you through this. I'm going to take that out. First thing I do is have my clean bowl, and I'm going to add about 2 to 3 drops each of the lavender and the orange oils, and it smells so good. Then I'm going to take my hot water, and I'm going to add some of that into the bowl. And there's a little bit of steam coming up. I'm not going to fill it all the way up, but what I'm going to do is just get enough to where I'm going to put my towel in. I'm going to kind of quickly dab it on each side and then open it up. And it's not completely wet, so I need to add just a little bit more water. Okay, now this is way too hot right now. If I were to put this up on my face, it would burn me. So I'm going to let it cool down some till it's still warm enough to where when I put it on my face, it's going to open up my pores and just give me kind of that nice and relaxing feeling. But you guys can do this if this is something that you're interested in. You're trying to figure out, well, how do I pamper myself while I'm at home during this quarantine? This is one of the ways that you can do it. So enjoy.